We are here with you through the mid-morning hours to get you ready for all the big events in your life.
That's right. The Weather Channel has you covered from coast to coast. Now, this is the time of year when our closets are a challenge. Mine pretty much all times of year, but definitely this time of year because we're going from shorts to sweaters, back to shorts, sometimes in one day, sometimes in the matter of days. That's what we're dealing with.
Yes. So we definitely put on the winter-ish gear today. We're into the sweaters. It's National Mulligan Day, though, and a mulligan is a beach. And all things considered, it was chilly yesterday morning, so it's even cooler this morning. Right now, temperatures sitting at 66 in Miami, 64 in West Palm Beach. All of these are a degree or two warmer than we were at where we maxed out this morning at our coldest temperature. So coldest since March for most of us. Coldest since about mid-March, actually, for most of us. The key thing here is that the air has dried out and the dew points have dropped off, and that's what allows it to really cool down. If you have no wind, the air can cool down almost to the dew point or to the dew point, and so that's what has happened for at least northern Florida. Tallahassee dew point running in the 40s, but we've got 40s dew points all the way in Miami. You step outside, you're like, wait, what's this air? It's so dry. I'm thirsty. My lips are chapped, right? That's the kind of air we're dealing with. The sun was going to be out, though, and when the air is drier like that, you warm up, and so we'll have a pretty nice afternoon. Comfortable. How about upper 70s in Miami? We will take it. We were just under a heat advisory over the weekend, so a big difference out there. Cooling down again tonight, probably not as far, maybe close to it, but not any farther than we've been, and then warming back up a little bit more to the 80s here across the Sunshine State with sunshine. I mean, it looks really good. Here's a look at Tallahassee. We've got temperatures topping out near average. Average is in the low 80s. We'll get close to it into Thursday and Friday. Quick chance of storms come in, and then a really nice stretch of weather coming on in. Well, the first flakes of the season.
Another rainy weekend. You just... At one point, it's like, I guess I'm going to have to take a day off work. I guess maybe
to get some
like activity in or something done outside. Decorate for Halloween, anything.
I know. It's almost laughable. Like, how can it possibly rain again on another weekend?
And then with these winds that are going to come along with this system, it's like all of those decorations better be attached and firmly attached.
Your ghosts a little bit be flying away. Well, the rain that we'll see this week is just one of the things that can make
precipitation off the
I would agree.
Yeah.
You would think snow and ice would be the worst, but I don't often drive in snow or ice, so rain ends up being, most stressful.
I would say all the above.
Yeah. Change. Cities could see wild temperature swings from one day to the next.
From morning to afternoon, too, basically. Here's a closer look at the tale of 2 Octobers and what exactly causes it.
We've got more rain in the Northeast this weekend.
It's like we're stuck in that same pattern. It would be a fantastic pattern if it was like Tuesday, Wednesday. Every Tuesday, Wednesday, it's rainy instead of your Saturday, Sunday. But that's just not what we're getting.
No, and the temperature changes are a big one as well. So we're going to talk more about that, looking ahead to what kind of warm up we're going to see, because it's been chilly the past few mornings in the east.
It's a full closet type of month that we've got going on right now, because you're starting with your sweaters in lots of places and ending in shorts in some places by the afternoon.
When you're going through your closet trying to find all the clothes that you needed to get out from last season. So we're going to take a look at what we can expect here as we watch temperatures change and warm up, actually. I mean, we already have a pretty warm ridge of high pressure, and we've been feeling it. You and all our road warrior crews often deal with terrifying conditions, and you could find yourself in a similar situation this winter.
Yeah, you could. Meteorologist Chris Warren introduces us to 3 stress-induced highways.
For all the big events in your life.
That's right. The Weather Channel has you covered from coast to coast. This is the time of year when our closets are a challenge, even more so than normally, because we go from shorts to sweaters, back to shorts, and sometimes just in days, but sometimes in one day.
Yes, literally. I think there's just a delay every morning because you have to go find the clothes from the last season, right? You need the jackets, you need the boots, you need everything. It's also National Mulligan Day, though, and a mulligan is a duo.